Setiphelele silo inkosi Yemaswati wesithathu sesivumise budlelwane lobuhle lobukhona emkhathini wakuleli nalelo nelive lase-India. Ingonyama beyikhuluma ngeliphimbo lempana inkosi iguduza emcimbini wokugubha lusuku lwe-India Republic Day lokubanjelwe ehhotela lasesibane sami idolobhisihlwa. Umbiko logcweleyo uyalandzela.
Ingonyama Yemaswati silo inkosi Yemaswati wesithathu seyivumise ke budlelwane live leMaswati lelinayo ke nelive leNdiya. Silo seMaswati sibese sesithumisa lokhu lokwendiwe live leNdiya kuphucula impilo teMaswati lokufaka ke ekhazi ukuthi kube neMaswati ke lacecesha khona kulela live kidokete emfundo nalokunye ke lokuningi lokwendiwa ke ngilo lelive ngekubambisana. Ingonyama Yemaswati beyithumele ke umfana inkosi iguduza ukuthi ethulele umbiko ehhotela lesibane ezulwini lapho khona lelive belihalalisa ilanga leRepublic Day. Silo seMaswati siphinze saveta kwekuthi siyathumisa kakhulu ke kubanjiswa ngelo live leNdiya ikakhulu ke esakhiweni seParliament nekwakhiwa ke pheceleti kwa National Data Center.
Your continued support means a lot to us, as we also pledge to also stand by you and support you in your national activities as you celebrate them here with us, where you are home away from home. Your Excellency, we wish to congratulate the Republic of India for the global role that she plays in the international community. Your appointment for the G20 leadership has clearly given you the opportunity to make a meaningful contribution to the global economy. As a country, we recognize and intend to ensure that even the global South is not left behind in the exchanges and engagements made for the developing world. We wish to state that you have our full support and have a true partner in the vision you have for promoting all issues of interest in the global community. The Kingdom of Eswatini is a proponent of ensuring that no one should be left behind as we build the world we want. We have not only set a mark in the international community, but we have also made your presence felt and feasible even here in the Kingdom of Eswatini in promoting our bilateral relations and initiatives. We humbly appreciate the numerous technical assistance and in-service training programs that have been extended to our civil servants, private and other sectors of our society.
Commissioner waseNdiya Evan Yemaswati naye ke uvetile kwekuthi lelanga limqoka kanjani etimpilweni tabo.
Eswatini students team to the UNESCO India Africa Hackathon held in India in November 2022, which was conducted for 36 hours non-stop. Lady Howard Mabuza, Minister of Education and Training, participated in the event at the invitation of the Minister of Education of India. She was accompanied by the Director, Ministry of Education and Training. I myself attended an event held at UNESCO to bid farewell to the Eswatini students who were going to travel to India for the hackathon. The hackathon provided interaction of Eswatini students at an international level with their peers from more than 40 countries from Africa. Continuing the tradition begun in 2020, the High Commission organized the third edition of the Kanya Diwali Bazaar, which was held in Malkan Sports Club in partnership with the Department of Handicrafts under the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Trade, Malkan's Municipality, Eswatini Investment Promotion Authority and the Malkan Sports Club. The event was attended by His Royal Highness Prince Gija, Regional Administrator, Manzini Region, Mrs. Stanley Dlamini, CEO of Eswatini National Association for Arts and Culture, Ms. Zodba Vilakati of the Department of Handicrafts, among others. As part of the India at 75 celebrations, women from the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana performed the Batukuma dance at the event. Among others, Ms. Nomfanelo Simalane, Eswatini Foreign Service Officer, participated in the 69th professional course for foreign diplomats in October at the Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service, Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi.
Ngizandile Mpapane, Tindzabeni Channel Yemaswati, ngisehhotela lasesibane ezulwini.